Hi guys, today I want to review an older tool here. It's the Ryobi P260 impact wrench. It's a 1.5 inch impact wrench, and I've used this thing for several years now and it's still good. So let me just show you some in action here. It's got a forward and reverse on here, so let's put it in reverse and take this wheel off here. Take the blade off here. Well guys, I showed you some examples of it and everything using this. I would highly recommend getting one of these. I wonder if the brushless model is any better, but this one's been good. I would highly recommend getting some impact sockets and everything for it. They'll come in handy. Now remember, it does take an 18-volt battery, and I would recommend using at least a 4 amp. But I would give you the thumbs up, guys. As always, thanks for watching.